In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Sorento key fob. If your Sorento was made between 2011 and 2013, this is most likely the device that you have. To get this thing open and to change your battery, you will need one CR2032 battery and a flathead screwdriver. So the first step is just to hold this button down and pull the internal key out. Now you can see here the keyhole, and right above that there's a longer indentation. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, or if you don't have one, you could put a coin in there, and we're just going to be twisting. So hold your device gently, insert in there, twist. Now you can see we've started to open this thing up. You can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can twist, working your way down. You might find that these components become loose. So what you're going to do is take this piece of plastic here and set it in. You can see there are little holes. This will fit nicely in there and it will sit flush. And then you can just take this rubber component in the circuit board, set it on top, gently push it down, and now you can just set that to the side. What we really want is this battery here, and we're going to use the same flathead screwdriver to pry it out from the side. So just insert it down into the base of this area and lift up the key fob and it will pop out just like that. Here we go, 2032 battery. Get a brand new one, CR2032 battery, put the positive side down, just like this. And you're going to slide it down towards this metal component. First, get that into place, and then you click in the top. Yeah, otherwise it won't really want to go in there. You just slide it down, click in the top. Now you can take this circuit board, place the battery on top so nothing falls out. And then you can just click everything back together and put your key back in there, and you are all set and ready to go. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, let us know down in the comment section, or you can let us know by giving us a like. And for any more information on how to change the batteries for key fobs of any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.